All right, we're gonna do a little video here. 2018 Honda Odyssey starter motor replacement. Battery goes here, airbox goes here, bottom of the airbox, battery. Excuse the mess, I'm going to Colorado for an elk hunt in 2 weeks. So, starter motor mounts here. Put my phone down here and see. There's one of the mount holes, and the other one's past that nut, that bolt head right there. The problem is this mount. There's two bolts, one in the back right there, and then this one right here, the front socket's still on. When this is on there, it will not get out. There's not enough space to get this starter out. So I bought and downloaded a service manual for it to figure this out. You have to take this, you have to at least loosen this. They're 17 millimeter bolt heads. They're very tight. You have to at least loosen this to get your starter out. This is like water pump, water distribution system. This is all coolant in here. You do not want to disconnect those hoses. Yeah, there's just no other way to do it. So I'll take get a few more angles in here and show you as we're putting it back together what it looks like. But just know, if you're doing a 2018 Honda Odyssey starter motor replacement on your own, you have to take off this mount. It will save you a lot of heartache. So we'll get some more footage and show you more step by step what's going on. I went ahead and pulled the whole bracket out. This is what it looks like. It sits like this. Those two bolts right there. You can see the tapped and drilled and tapped holes right there on top of the transmission for this bracket. So take this off. There's a 10 millimeter on top here that holds this thing on right here, right there, and then the two 17s. So take it off, you'll thank me later. All right, starter's mounted back in. Again, that bracket is off. So I need to hook up, start hooking everything back up. This cable goes on like that. This, I have the nut and washer for that over here. I need both hands for that, but you can see how tight it is in here. But there it is. All right, I just got the airbox put back on. Security, it's not latched, but the base is on. So there's a screw here, bolt here. There's two push pins there and there. And then you've got this bolt back here. So make sure your mass airflow sensor is connected. All your electrical components are hooked up. Back there, I had to get this wire bolted on the starter, as well as a plug back here somewhere. Can't really see it from here, sorry, but it's in there. It just slides over top, clicks in, a little positive click response. So now I'm going to clean out these sockets and I'm going to put the battery back in. I think that's all I have left. All right, we got all the parts back in, batteries in, negative, positives, hooked up tight. Airbox is secure, everything's plugged in. There's the starter down there. Again, I can't say it enough. Take off that bracket down there. Yes, take off that bracket. It's impossible without doing that. So, there you have it. I'm going to put all these pieces back on, dirty cover and the trim piece in the front. And we're gonna start her up, see how she runs. Hopefully it turns over, no issues. All right, got her put all back together. I'm gonna try and remote start this so I can be out here when it goes. Probably won't do it with the hood open. Pretty strong. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully something will help your experience be better than mine. 2018 Honda Odyssey 3.5 liter.